Hey guys, so this week on 6 Insiders, it is what to do when blank, so we fill in the blank, and I decided to do what to do when it is raining. I honestly don't like this weather because I'm sick, and like, who wants to get their feet wet? Like, I was walking to school and then, water got into my shoes and I was like, are you kidding me? Like, I'm already sick. I don't need to get more sick, and I'm going to show you guys what to do so you don't have a bad day like me. I'm so sorry I did not post last week. I hate when I don't post. It gets me so like, oh my god. This lighting makes me look orange. But yeah, here I am today on a Friday, and yeah, something that you can do is read an interesting book. Oh my god. Oh my god, this book is so good. Another thing you can do is just go to sleep. Oh yes, finally I'm home. Home sweet home. Thank you, Jesus. I'm asleep. I love this. Go outside and play with the puddles. Ah! Going outside is always fun. Oh my god, it's sprinkling and I don't have my umbrella. Well, it's okay. I'm doing this for you guys. I'm going to wear these shoes, but I couldn't find the other shoe. Wait, it's raining on the phone. Couldn't find the other shoe, so I just wore these, whatever. So yeah, you want to go outside. Oh, look at that those beautiful puddles. Ah, boom. This is my favorite part. Look at this. The water just comes up and then it goes into this huge puddle. Oh my, to run through the rain. Sick. Yay! Oh my god. So guys, make tea. Make tea is good, especially for rainy, sunny days. Today, got my delicious tea. Peppermint. Take pictures like a hipster, and everyone will like your pictures. Another thing you could do is draw or doodle. I doodle because I don't know how to draw that well. So yeah, doodle! I honestly don't know what else you can do on a rainy day that I can think of right now. I want to know what y'all do on a rainy day. Pinkies up! Woo! I love you all. I hope you have a Free to Fridays or just a good Friday. Make sure to like and subscribe because subscribing helps us. Share this channel with all your friends and anybody you know, because it will be very appreciated if you guys did share us. I'll see you guys next week. Bye! I just wanted to film this moment because the sun is coming out. It's very bright. Oh my god. Oh my god. The sun is coming out. Look how close it is to that tape. Look. It almost fell in. It's sunny outside and it's not sprinkling. It's like I can see Jesus. They're the clouds. I came to dance, 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 dance. Get out the way of me and my